Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you mute a Discord server. So guys, muting a Discord server is very easy. At first, just go to your Discord account. Then the Discord app, just go to the server that you want to mute. And after going to the server, just click the top left, the three dash icon. Now just click the name of your server in the top. Now just scroll here and click on notifications. Now in the top here you can see mute Midjourney, click on it. Now you can select for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hour, 8 hour and also 24 hours, or you can also select until I turn it back on. If you select for 15 minutes to 24 hours, it will automatically turn on after the time, but if you select the last option, it won't be on until you turn it back on. So I'm just selecting the last option. Now here you can see I have successfully muted a Discord server. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.